Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Jira for Agile project management, today's guide is going to save you tons of time. I'll walk you through how to create a new sprint in Jira, step by step, in just a few minutes. Whether you're an Agile beginner or a seasoned Scrum Master, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to plan, organize, and kick off your next sprint like a pro. Let's get started. First, log into your Jira account and head over to your work at the top of the interface. This dashboard is your personal workspace. It gives you a clear view of everything that's currently in progress and what's coming up next. It's the perfect starting point before setting up a new sprint. Next, click on Projects in the top navigation menu. Then choose View All Projects to find the one you'll be working in. Once you've opened the correct project, you're ready to move to the next step, creating the actual sprint. Inside your project, look at the left-hand menu and select Backlog. This is where all your unscheduled work items live, tasks, stories, or bugs waiting to be planned. At the top of the backlog, click Create Sprint. This will open up a new sprint container ready for customization. Now it's time to give your sprint a name. You can keep it simple, like Sprint 1, or go specific, such as February 1st. to 14th, release sprint. Then start adding issues by clicking Create Issue. Fill in the details, the type, description, and any other relevant information to keep your team aligned. Once your sprint is created, drag and drop user stories, tasks, or subtasks from your backlog into it. Don't worry if everything isn't perfect. Jira is flexible, so you can refine and reorder items as your sprint planning evolves. When you're ready, click Start Sprint. You'll be asked to set the duration. Typically 2 weeks is ideal, and confirm the start date. Once you hit Start, your sprint goes live, and your team can begin working toward the defined goals. And that's it. You've just created a brand new sprint in Jira. With clear planning and organization, your team can now focus on what really matters, delivering results on time. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick Jira tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover sprint reports next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.